Okay, hey you guys, welcome back. It's the Cosmic Phoenix, and I'm doing an unboxing today. I had a coffee press, right? And I was gonna get the a coffee press by Ascensions by Zoe's, right? But I'm just like such a person that if I want something, I want it right now. Like, so I went to Walmart and got their coffee press. Long story short, it broke, right? Meaning it broke. If you don't understand patois, it broke, okay? So I'm like, wow. So I'm like, oh my gosh, let me just get the Ascension by Zoe's coffee press that I wanted, right? And it's here! Yay! I'm so excited. Box. And I'm not gonna lie, I be keeping the boxes, so. And it came with a free gift too. I got free sage and free Palo Santo, so ew. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh my god, it's so cute. This is much easier for me to handle. Like, I can handle this. The other one was mad big for real. That shit just went bloop and it broke the other day. You'll be seeing me use this on Tea Time with Phoenix, okay? So, I do like the color. Okay, and I love that it's very lightweight. It's not heavy, right? It's such a sleek, classy design. Easy to handle when you're pouring. My other one was heavy, it was bigger, so it was like, a little strenuous on my hands, and the other one would leak too when I was pouring. But this looks really good. I love this. I love that it's like the perfect size for a cup of tea, right? So this is perfect. I can't wait to use this and try it out.